guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Hello, hi everyone. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. My name is Estelle, and if it's your first time to land on this channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Please don't forget to give a sweet comment in the comment section down below. And today I was like sleeping. Actually it is early in the morning now here, and I was like, why not give you a quick video on how I make my breakfast on a good day. You know, sometimes I don't have to make that special breakfast. Sometimes I go in the fridge, grab something to eat, and then just eat. But today I was like, I need to prepare something good for me. So welcome back to my kitchen, guys. So don't forget, today we are going to make a breakfast. Actually it's sunny. It's a good, beautiful day today, and it's sunny outside. When I look here, I'm looking through the window, so it's the weather is very giving. Maybe later I can go out for a walk, but today, early in the morning, we are going to make a quick breakfast. So I'll show you step by step how I make my quick breakfast, and yeah, that's it. Welcome, guys. So stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my kitchen. You're most welcome. If you're new here, make sure to leave a sweet comment what you think about today's video. And today guys, I'm here to just make a quick breakfast, and I was like, why not make it with you? So you're welcome. I'm going to show you how to do a quick breakfast. Actually, this breakfast I promised in my previous video that I'll show you how to make a Rolex. This is like a Ugandan Rolex. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Rolex. This is a combination of chapati, eggs, and something different, what you want. So my name is Esther, and this channel is Esther, of course, Dibaga ESSY'S channel. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and that notification bell, so that every time I post a video, you're here to vibe with me. So guys, we are going to go direct to the video. For those people who don't know how to make chapati, these are the chapatis that I'm going to use to make Rolex. Please go in my previous video, the video that I posted like 2 days back. You will see how I make this chapati. So I'm going to leave the link here or here. This video I'm going to leave it here, so you can go click and check out how to make chapati. And then these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. We have our eggs, we have tomatoes, we have our onions, of course the bowl where we're going to make the eggs from, salt, and olive oil to fry these ingredients. So let's go direct to the video on how to make this Rolex. Let's start by breaking our eggs. Guys, it's according to how much eggs you want. You know, you can make 4 eggs, 5 eggs, any number of eggs you want, you can make. So for me, I'm going to make something like 4 eggs. This Rolex is going to be 4 eggs. Guys, don't mind about the background, how I do this video is, it's not a professional one that I need to be so much organized or that. No. So these are my eggs. From my eggs, I'm going to add some salt. Little salt, of course, because you know eggs contain salt. So you don't need to put more salt. Sorry. These are my chopped onions. I already chopped them. No one here doesn't know how to chop onions, so of course I'm not going to make one. I'll leave another one because I have 2 chapatis, so I'll leave the other onions for the next Rolex. And after here you're going to mix. So I'm going to mix my eggs with the onions so that they blend together. So we are going to add our eggs in the pan. You make sure the oil is not so much hot. Yeah. Yeah, I do it. So guys, our eggs are cooking, and for sure sometimes I do it this egg and I don't know how to turn them. Many, like, they break out, they, you know, but now it has turned out very well. Yeah, I like it this way. Sometimes you do it and it's hard to flip it out, yeah, but now I've done it so well, and our Rolex will be super nice. So guys, our eggs are ready. They are ready. It's ready. So we are going to put it off fire, and the next thing is you add the chapati here. Remember, we have this chapati, and then flip it on the plate. Yeah, just like that. We have that Rolex, not yet there. So put the Rolex aside, and now it's time to cut our tomatoes. So the next thing is to cut our tomatoes, and just cut them in small pieces. Yeah. The next thing, guys, my hands are already clean. I washed them, so don't come for me. The next thing is to put these tomatoes here, and you can add salt or you can leave without salt. So you're going to roll it. This process of rolling it gives it the name Rolex. So we are going to roll it up, and then we put something more. Rolling the eggs. So this is our rolled eggs. And the next thing is we are going to add some salads, because I prefer this with a salad. You put some tomatoes here. I'm going to add something here. Yeah, I'm trying to be as quick as possible. Then we have our salad. Let me bring the salads, and you will see how the plate will turn out. So next thing is to put our salad. You put as much as you want, you know. So for me, that will be enough for me. And now we have this. That is, don't show the other one. So that is our plate of Rolex. How does it look, guys? How? Rate it out of 10. Give it max. How does it look out of 10? So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying here with me. That is, welcome to my kitchen. Until we meet again in the next video, I'll come back with another cooking vlog, another cooking video next time. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your sweet comment, and guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video if you feel it's worth it. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to please leave me a sweet comment in the comment section below. If you want the recipe of this beautiful breakfast, you can comment down, or you can go in the description box. You will see the ingredients and everything that I've used to make this simple breakfast. And guys, I signed out as always. Ciao. Mwah. Mwah. Kisses. So this is our final look of our Rolex. Tomatoes inside, egg and chapati. And so this is how our plate looks like. So this is how it looks like. And try it. You'll thank me later.